sunshine! This is Linda again. Today, March 13, 2026, we're loading a glass laser drilling machine into a 20-foot container, and it's on its way to Turkey. This machine is specially designed for home appliance glass production. As you can see behind me, our team is working efficiently to complete the loading process. Every step is carefully handled to ensure the machine arrives safely and is ready for immediate operation at the customer's factory. This is a customized, large-format glass laser drilling machine with a processing size of 2,500 by 1,300 millimeters, perfectly meeting the demand for bigger glass panels. It features a large working area, low chipping, non-contact processing, and high stability. These advantages not only improve production efficiency, but also ensure excellent precision and product quality. With advanced laser technology, the process becomes more flexible and reduces material loss, making it an ideal solution for home appliance glass manufacturing. If you're looking for reliable and high-performance glass machinery, feel free to contact Linda. Our team is always here to support you.
抬着把这抬着。